Today we have a video from Crime Scrutiny, and the title of the video is "She claimed the FBI owned the car, then refused to comply."
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm okay. Can I help you?
I'm Deputy Castro, Monroe County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I pulled you over, me and my partner right there on the side of the road. In the state of Florida, we have a move over law. You either need to bump it down to 20 miles an hour, or you got to try to move over to the left-hand side.
I mean, the other vehicle did the same thing in front of me, so.
Well, I was looking at my computer, but I felt my car shake when you passed me. Can I have your license, registration, proof, or insurance, please?
You're going to have to contact the Federal Bureau for my information. I'm sorry. I'll give you, because that's what I'm here for, is work. And this is the vehicle they put me in, so you're going to have to contact them for that.
For your registration and everything?
Yep.
You don't have no registration in this vehicle?
Nope. You're welcome to get my information and get their information. That's fine, but that's what's going on.
What do you do for the federal?
I don't think that's any of your business.
Okay. So I asked her for registration. She goes, you got to contact the Federal Bureau of Investigation for it. This is one of their cars. She goes, I'm here for work. I asked her what for. She didn't give me any information. And this isn't coming back to anybody. The car isn't. I need to get the VIN, but there's a dog inside. Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm okay. What's the deal with hitting the vehicle?
What do you mean, hit the vehicle?
Yeah, is there a reason the vehicle kind of keeps getting hit? Or
Where?
when you walk by it?
What do you mean, ma'am? No one hit the vehicle.
When you walk by it, feels like somebody touched it.
What's wrong with that, ma'am?
Is that what I was feeling?
You have your license with you?
Is that what I'm feeling?
Not sure what you mean, man. No one hit your vehicle. I need your registration and insurance, ma'am.
Contact the Federal Bureau. I already informed this officer.
All right, that's fine.
What are you being nosy for? Body cam isn't out. You're being disrespectful right now.
Ma'am, my body worn camera is out.
No, I'm asking you what are you doing, because you're being disrespectful right now. I was dealing with this deputy right here, and you're being nosy for just no reason. This is an invasion of privacy, completely disrespectful.
It's a traffic stop, ma'am.
For no reason.
We're asking for your documentation. You refuse.
I would like to know if you're an impersonator.
Let me explain. No, I'm Deputy Marina with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. That's who I am.
And you have any ID on you?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have a card with your badge number and your county.
We don't have a badge number. We have a call number, ma'am.
Listen to my words.
No, let me explain to you, ma'am.
When I ask if you're an impersonator, it's important.
Ma'am, I'm not an impersonator. I just told you who I am.
It sounds like she is an impersonator. Talking about you got called the feds, the alphabet boys. What?
I am and who I work for.
And I asked if you had a card.
Ma'am, you're not going to let me explain. Hey, we're bickering back and forth. It's not going to get nowhere. If you're going to talk over me, we're not going to get nowhere with this, okay? We're going to go ahead and get a supervisor here since you requested.
Thank you, sir.
In the meantime, go ahead and provide your registration.
And you can contact the Federal Bureau. I'm here
for what reason?
Because I'm here for work, and that's what our protocol is.
Oh,
this is the vehicle they put me in, and if you would like to contact them for further information.
No, I need your registration. I'm pretty sure if you're driving,
the Federal Bureau.
Ma'am, like I said, you're going to keep going back and forth with me?
I gave you an answer. That's all I can do.
Okay, just wait for Sergeant Gary.
April.
Yes, sir.
Quick question.
Yes, sir.
Are you an FBI agent? If you are, do you have credentials? That's all we're asking.
You have to give them my name.
You don't have credentials at all?
You have to give them my name. This is a highly on the down low case, and I am not able to disclose with you anything other than to be a...
This is a highly on the down low case. Who the hell even talks like that? What type of shit is this? This is a highly on the down low case. I don't understand what that means.
As honest as I can, but that's all I could say to you. I can give you their direct address and number, and then some names for the Federal Bureau. That's the best I could do for you. And I do have registration from the prior owner for this, but it is from 2018 or 2021. You're welcome to see it if you like.
May I see it?
Thank you for wearing your body cam.
Yes, ma'am.
This is from insurance and then the DMV. It is Montana and Nevada, and I am from Oregon.
Okay.
This is just different verification, so you can see the VIN number with it. Karen was a veteran. She's passed away now, and I want to make sure she's remembered. I was keeping that together because her son is a part of this.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
Is your car registered or not?
It's not registered since 2018.
Since 2018?
Yeah.
She never showed you her creds, right?
No credentials. He asked her. Do you work? Are you a federal agent working for the FBI?
No, she's not.
So of course she's not. We asked her again to provide her registration and insurance. She couldn't do that.
Right, yeah.
She kept saying that.
Stay back. I haven't told your car. Give me your car.
No, I do not think so.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you give me the keys?
You're not complying with our
No, my
orders, you're
dog
going to
is-
go to jail.
My dog is in the vehicle, and I do not trust you. I'm going to wait for a tow. No,
Listen to me.
I am not giving
You
you,
don't
my
get to
keys.
dictate what's
I am
going
not
on.
giving you my keys.
Then you're going to go to jail. Give me your car keys right now.
For
You're
what
gonna go to
reason?
jail. Come towing your car.
I will get my stuff out of there. I just locked it.
You don't have a choice in these matters.
Yes, I do.
Oh, you don't?
The tow truck is not here. Yes, I do.
I'm going to tell you
Lock
one more
her
time.
up.
And if you are not
No.
complying with the lawful order, you are going to go to jail. I do not want to take you to jail because you want to have an attitude.
Are you going to call Jacksonville?
I'm not calling anybody.
Okay, then I'm going to unlock the vehicle because you're not going to leave me unfree willingly to get my dog out of the vehicle.
If you keep talking, you're
Okay.
going to be unfree to go.
I understand you don't like the way I'm speaking, but I'm being very,
I don't care. how
very,
you speak
very
to me.
calm.
You don't need to do anything special to me other than comply with
You
my...
said to get out of the vehicle and sign a citation, and then I could go
You have
back
the criminal
to the vehicle.
citation ready?
No.
Okay,
We're gonna go ahead and tow that vehicle. Make sure you
I'm
make
not going back to this
arrangements.
vehicle. I'm not going to continue to argue with you. Say it one more time.
And neither am I. I'm going to wait to sign the citation. I'm waiting for the
Any
tow.
other arguments?
I have done nothing for you to act this way.
Ma'am.
This is harassment right now.
Okay.
You feel better.
I'd feel better if you would cooperate.
I am cooperating. I'm going to make sure you're not an impersonator. Because if you are, then you're going to be in quite some trouble. This one right here as well.
Can you stand up, lean up against a car for me?
No, you need to get a woman to pat search me. I'm sorry.
So if you have a vehicle registered in the state of Florida, right? And it's not registered for more than 6 months, it's criminal. What happens if it's not registered at all since 2018? Is it still the same thing? I mean, it's still criminal, right?
Okay.
So can you arrest or you can give an NTA for either one, correct?
Yes, sir.
She's a convicted felon.
I know she is.
And she's been here. She came in on the 24th. So, post. She failed to register within 48 hours.
April, what's your dog's name?
Wilbur?
Wilbur.
Wilbur?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Wilbur! Hi!
Bravo uniform 8 David Delta X-ray B.
She can open the door. What's the matter, buddy? Come on. You can go. Come on.
Come on. Come on, Wilbur.
There we go.
Are they going to be able to provide a ride there?
Not sure, but pretty sure if you ask someone, they'll give you a ride, or you can just call the sheriff's office. They'll provide you with some courtesy transport.
And the stipulation for me reporting on my end, since I was declined clarification for a phone call to Jacksonville.
Well, you get your phone call when you get to the station, ma'am.
No, for you gentlemen, for me to report that you declined calling, for me to be verified.
You could take that up with whoever you need to take that up with.
God, I applaud these officers with their patience, because with her jibber jab, oh man, I would probably just lose it. Like she's kind of just like really, really annoying, you know. And this is not an act, which is the scary part. She's not acting. She's really cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
I was asking, do you know who?
No, I don't know who exactly. You just spoke to the sergeant. He's the one that placed you in custody.
And when he's the one that declined.
I'm giving you the same information that I know. Can't give you other information that I don't know of, okay?
If I could, I'd really like to bring that flour bag in the back.
What flower bag?
It's right there behind the green.
That's your makeup bag.
Yes, I have court tomorrow.
You're not gonna need all that.
I should have asked for my tennis shoes.
According to court records, April was arrested on charges including resisting an officer without violence, failing to register as a convicted felon, refusing to sign a criminal citation, and failing to register a motor vehicle.
Wait. Failure to register as a convicted felon? Wait, what? What? What do you mean?
Resisting an officer without violence, failing to register as a convicted felon, refusing to sign a criminal citation, and failing to register a motor vehicle. Bond was set at $7,500. A bench warrant was issued for her arrest after April failed to appear in court, and the case remains open with all charges still pending.
What? Failure to register as a whatever. We're just gonna go get past that. All right. Failure to register as a convicted felon. When did you have to start registering as a convicted felon? Oh boy. Maybe y'all know something I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, Jailhouse Accountability Scorecard, man. It's that time. We got 6 categories: compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety, risk, and wasted chances. 0 equals handled it perfectly. 10 equals generational crash out. The closer you are to 0, the better you did, and vice versa. All right, let's get to it, man. Compliance, 9 out of 10. She refused basic documents, refused to hand over the keys, and kept debating every lawful instruction. All right, so pretty self-explanatory. Attitude, 8 out of 10. Calling deputies nosy, disrespectful, harassing, and possible impersonators made the stop way worse. All right, self-control, 7 out of 10. She stayed somewhat calm, but she could not stop arguing long enough to save herself. Okay, listen, this arrest was unnecessary. This is definitely a cite and release type of situation, because they're not pushing the issue on the FBI thing or whatever, right? So they were just gonna cite and release her or whatever, but she wanted to go to jail. Okay, she was asking for it. Truthfulness, 10 out of 10. The Federal Bureau story, secret case talk, and no real credentials put this at a full 10. Okay, flat out lying. Safety risk, 6 out of 10. She did not get violent, but the original move over issue, locked vehicle, yeah. So that's locked vehicle, dog, and refusal to comply did create some risk, but nothing too crazy. All right, wasted chances, 9 out of 10. They gave her chance after chance to provide paperwork, sign citation, hand over the keys, and avoid jail. She wasted all of her chances. Okay. Final jail score, 49 out of 60. Converted score, 8.2 out of 10. All right, if she was an inmate, she'd be on some mental health meds. I ain't gonna lie to you. She's pretty out there. She's pretty out there, man. She out there in her own world. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. But let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.